Hello everybody, this is Chef Angelica. Happy holidays. I'm into my lasagna assembly right here with my gorgeous vegan bolognese sauce. Look at that, rich and wonderful, full of veggies and mushrooms. And my creamy, delicious vegan ricotta cheese. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Layering everything away, it's going to be absolutely amazing. Look at that. Shredded vegan cheese on top. I'm layering and layering, laying. Everybody making vegan lasagna. Peace out. Happy holidays. Cheers. Hello everybody. So here we are kind of layering away. They're getting built. Filling this one with the bolognese sauce. So we got our layers in there. I'm going to top that with some shredded vegan cheese. And then add another layer of noodles and continue. There it is. There's a completed lasagna, layers on layers on layers. There's 4 layers there. I top it with a mix of my nutritional yeast and breadcrumbs and some herbs that I make fresh from gluten-free breadcrumbs. And then I like to, here's a chef's tip, I spray some olive oil on top. That's going to make the breadcrumbs crispy, so it'll have a little bit of crust on top. Still working on this one, but there we go. I'll show you a slice when it's all baked. I'm going to make a small one for myself. So again, look at that, vegan lasagna, gorgeous bolognese, vegan ricotta. There you go. Happy holidays, everybody. Yum. Hi, everybody. So to go with our delicious vegan lasagna, I'm making incredible fresh garlic bread. I make a nice combination of, look at that, pureed garlic, olive oil, Italian herbs, you choose. I have rosemary and oregano in here, fresh parsley. I kind of pat it down with a little bit of vegan butter if you want a little bit extra richness. And then I go ahead and I do that. And then I have my brush and I brush it. And it's going to be incredible. Look at that. It smells so good. Beautiful homemade garlic bread with your vegan lasagna or baked pasta or whatever holiday meal you're having. Thank you, everybody. Peace out. Subscribe, like, and share. Happy holidays. Hello everybody, this is Chef Angelica. Look what I have here. Fresh organic broccoli. 4 pounds of fresh organic broccoli that I chopped up in the stalks. We're going to make some beautiful roasted broccoli today. I'm going to put it on a nice parchment lined pan. We're going to roast it at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes till it's golden brown. Has a little bit of crisp to it and caramelization. This has Italian spices, oregano, rosemary, basil. It's got garlic powder. We're going to add some more olive oil on here. Look at that. Some balsamic vinegar is a trick of mine. Give it a little bit of sweetness and caramelization. We're going to put it on our pan and roast it. Happy holiday side dish to my beautiful lasagnas for my clients this Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone. Broccoli is full of vitamins and fiber. Get your nutrients. Eat your beautiful black broccoli today. Roast some today. Peace out. Everybody, here it is, my roasted broccoli on my tray. Going to go in the oven at 400 degrees. It's going to bake for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how you like it, golden brown. Make sure you keep it separated, because if it's too close together, it'll just steam and it won't brown and roast. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd like you to add your roasted broccoli to your holiday menu or anytime. This makes a great broccoli salad, a great side dish. You can have carrots also and mix in if you'd like to. But it's going in the oven, everybody. Talk to you soon. Happy holidays. Chef Angelica. Guys, here it is, roasted broccoli. It was in for about 20 minutes. I kind of turned it halfway. Look at that. It's all crispy and brown and caramelized. It's so good. Sweet and lovely. It's got that little bit of that roasted burnt tinge to it, which I like. So there you go, roasted broccoli. Make it today. Cheers.